The building blocks of nutrition. Understanding the food pyramid. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unpack the concept of the food pyramid. It's a visual guide that helps us understand how to balance our diet. If you've ever wondered what types of food and how much of them you should eat for a healthy lifestyle, you're in the right place. The food pyramid is a triangular diagram that illustrates the optimal number of servings to eat each day from each of the basic food groups. It was created to provide an easy-to-understand look at healthy eating. But remember, individual needs can vary. Grains, the base layer. At the base of the pyramid, we have grains. This group includes bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. They are a major source of energy and should take up the largest portion of your diet. Fruits and vegetables, the second layer. Just above the grains, we find fruits and vegetables. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These should fill half your plate at any meal. Proteins and dairy, the middle layers. Moving up, we have proteins, like meat, beans, and nuts, and dairy, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt. These are crucial for building and repairing tissues and maintaining healthy bones. Fats, oils, and sweets, the tip of the pyramid. At the top of the pyramid are fats, oils, and sweets. These should be used sparingly as they are high in calories but low in nutrients. To use the food pyramid, start by looking at the recommended servings for each food group. Adjust the amounts based on your age, sex, and activity level. The pyramid is a guideline, not a strict rule book. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. A key takeaway from the food pyramid is the importance of variety and moderation. Eating a variety of foods from each layer ensures a balanced intake of essential nutrients, and moderating portions helps to maintain a healthy weight. We hope this guide to the food pyramid has given you a clearer understanding of how to structure your diet for better health. Remember, balance is the key. Eat well, and take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in. Until next time, happy eating!